Networkdays, International, Function, ictshare. This an example. I want to find working day of staff in month. I choose September 25 this month in practice. And date I count start from 1st to 30, the end of this month. And this day is holiday. And holiday and end date I keep in these cells. Then this is start date of the month. Now read this definition of this function. Networkdays, International is function calculates the number of workdays between two dates, allowing you to specify a custom weekend and exclude a list of holidays. Next, read the question in this example. Please, summarize an employee's working days, excluding holiday and Sunday. Let's start. Now I remove function on cells. Next, I press equals and type Networkdays, International. Open parentheses and click Start Date. Comma and click End Date. And press F4. Comma and select Weekend option. Before I select the option, read the question, please. In this question, excluding holiday and only Sunday. Okay, the weekend option is number 11, because it count only Sunday. It correct with question. Enter the number 11. And comma and next holiday. Does it have holiday in this month? Here is a holiday of the month is on 5. Okay, click this cell and press F4 and close parentheses and enter. Now the cells show with result. If I want to format day in cell, first I just click General. Then click Custom and click 0 number. Next, press key double quote 2 times. Between the double quote, type the word days and click OK. Now look at the outcome. There are 25 days. You can count from first day to end day, but don't count holiday and Sunday. Here's Sunday. And this day is holiday. In this month has 30 days. You can -5, you will know that the answer. Next example, I need to find the semester break of staff and want to show remaining leave of staff. Then I choose November 25 in this example. Next, read the question. Please, summarize an employee's semester break, excluding holidays, Saturdays, and Sundays. The blue date is Saturdays, and red is Sundays. This day is a holiday. Now I select the cells and remove. Next, I press equals and type Network Day, International Function, and open parentheses. After, click Start Date and comma. And click on End Date. Then select Choose the Weekend option. Before I type the number, I need read the question again. In this question, the holiday and Saturdays and Sundays don't count. Okay, turn to our option. I select the number 1, because doesn't count Saturday and Sunday. Next, comma, and click Holiday. And press F4, close parentheses and enter. Now the results show on cells. Next, find the remaining leave of staff. Click on this cell and press equals. Then click Leave Balance and Minus with semester break of staff. And day is function number to minus. Close parentheses and enter. Here's the result remaining leave of staff. I would like to express that 10 days must minus from leave balance. The leave balance 22 days. Present has 12 days. It's correct. ictshare.